Hi everyone and welcome to my place. If you are looking for a beautiful room spray that's got that Christmassy edge on it, I have got you covered. Well, I hope I have. This is also a really lovely gift that the children could make to give away as thank you gifts to special teachers or to special people in their lives. It's really easy to do. One, you need a spritzer bottle, and into here I have got 15 drops of frankincense, 15 drops of grapefruit, and 30 drops of fir or pine or spruce. So just as long as you've got, the fir or whatever your heavy resinous smell is at least 30. And just have a play around until you get the strength that you want. But just be careful that essential oils can be quite strong. And then into that, I'm just going to put just a little bit of mineral water. It's not supposed to be as fizzy as this, but however, whenever I do this, I always sort of think to myself, what if it goes all terribly pear-shaped? But just fill that almost to the top, like so. Put the lid on before you go too far, because we've had a few disasters. For those of you who've been following me, you'll understand that. Now that little lid just goes onto there like so, and then just leave that for 2 to 3 days before you give it away. Make sure it's got one of those wee caps on it so that it doesn't sort of like get pushed around. And then when you want to use it, just give it a good spray. If you wanted to, you could put a bit of vodka or a little bit of some other kind of alcohol in there that doesn't have a smell, but vodka's usually the best. But look, for kids, I think that the best thing is just the mineral water. And then to further embellish it, I've just got some of the stock card here, and it's just going to be a matter of just pulling off one of those. Let me just see how far around I need to go. Just push that around and onto there. I'll just rip that off. Oops. Just take that off so that we can get it on nice and straight. So taking that round to there like that, and then I've got a nice little rose there that I thought that I could just put onto that there, and there it is, all beautiful, all embellished and all ready to go. And then just make a little tag to indicate what it is, or if you wanted to, I've got these lovely little leaves here. These are my favourite. Every year I always have a favourite something. Then that there could just go onto there if you wanted to, and you could just put on the back of it what the name of whatever it is that you're gifting is. So how cute is that, and how easy is that for a gift to give somebody that you really want to say thank you to? Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from me.